is the hallway of the ship. Early in the morning, about 7:30, so very quiet. This is the time. Time now is 6:45. So elevator to 11 deck. Always the Muppets. Look. 11. Hey, that's quick.
Dati dito tayo. Ito po naman sa ano.
No, we got turn right, eh? Something.
Pareho din magka.
What? No, this way. Wow, look at that. Oh, me, this way, oh. Wow. Morning. Well, they're doing physical fitness, man. No, left. See? Morning. Morning, sir. Morning. Here we go. Good morning. Yeah. Woo. Thursday. Door, use entrance to the left. Wala pa yung alam ko snow na eh. Parang na snow. Do you have arroz caldo? Walang arroz caldo dito, no? Hindi kayo gusto. Oh, ganun ba? Saan gusto mo?
Cream of wheat.
Anong lasa niyan? May cream of wheat. Ano yan?
Parang nilugaw na maliliit.
Oo, yan. Oh, yan pala. Pang ano yan? Pang bata yan eh.
Doesn't matter.
Pang baby yan eh. Yung mga wala pang ipin. Anong pangalan mo, Brad? Anong pangalan mo? Okay, Richard. Nice meeting you today. Because I'm taking a video on you, okay? May sa ano ko to sa in my YouTube channel, yeah. Yes. DJ Bet USA, yeah. DJ Bet 619. So you yeah. You want racing. Okay, Richard, okay. That's good. At milk. Oh, thank you, Richard, ha? Sige. Yan, may sugar na. Isahin mo na, bahala na si... Bahala na.
Thank you.
Bahala si Richard dyan. Yan ang sanay yan si Richard, eh, oh. Nakaparay dress pa, eh, oh. Sa army, ganyan, no? Parade dress. You're waiting for the order. See you, Richard, ha? Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. No, you have to find a place to sit. Yan, mamaya tayo magganyan.
Morning.
Good morning. Sana sa dulo, you have to... Ganito makainan sa labas. It's full, brother, it's full. Yeah. The only place me is outside. Mas maganda dumi kaya outside. Yeah, no place me. Crowded, huh? Very crowded. Oh, this one here, no? Hey. It's okay?
Oh, you want to come back or walk?